Animal and insects. Horse. Horse. The horse runs fast. Cow. Cow. The cow gives milk. Goat. Goat. The goat eats grass. Sheep. Sheep. The sheep has wool. Chicken. Chicken. The chicken lays eggs. Duck. Duck. The duck swims well. Goose. Goose. The goose is white. Turkey. Turkey. The turkey is big. Cat. Cat. The cat drinks milk. Rabbit. Rabbit. The rabbit is very fast. Deer. Deer. The deer runs quickly. Dog. Dog. The dog is loyal. Lion. Lion. The lion is strong. Zebra. Zebra. The zebra has stripes. Tiger. Tiger. The tiger is brave. Giraffe. Giraffe. The giraffe has a long neck. Fox. Fox. The fox is clever. Monkey. Monkey. The monkey climbs trees. Gorilla. Gorilla. The gorilla is very strong. Elephant. Elephant. The elephant has a trunk. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. The kangaroo jumps high. Bear. Bear. The bear is big. Pig. Pig. The pig likes mud. Wolf. Wolf. The wolf howls at night. Crocodile. Crocodile. The crocodile lives in water. Squirrel. Squirrel. The squirrel eats nuts. Rat. Rat. The rat runs fast. Mouse. Mouse. The mouse is very small. Alligator. Alligator. The alligator is dangerous. Hedgehog. Hedgehog. The hedgehog has sharp spines. Snake. Snake. The snake crawls slowly. Octopus. Octopus. The octopus has 8 arms. Frog. Frog. The frog jumps high. Turtle. Turtle. The turtle walks slowly. Lizard. Lizard. The lizard climbs walls. Dolphin. Dolphin. The dolphin is friendly. Whale. Whale. The whale is very big. Shark. Shark. The shark has sharp teeth. Crab. Crab. The crab walks sideways. Lobster. Lobster. The lobster lives in the sea. Butterfly. Butterfly. The butterfly has colorful wings. Bee. Bee. The bee makes honey. Spider. Spider. The spider makes a web. Ant. Ant. The ant is hard working.